institution producing globally competitive graduates. Mission: deliver quality education and dynamic instruction, relevant researchers, and sustainable extension programs gearing towards socio-economic development. Goal: produce competent graduates, foster strong linkages and networks, synergize human capital. Core values: M. Moral uprightness. O. Optimism. N. Nationalism. C. Compassion. A. Adaptability. S. Service. T. Teamwork.